What's up, guys? Chatty CRC here with you, and it's that time of the month again. It's drone box drop time, and this is an awesome month. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. They are running a code right now if you want to sign up from now through Cyber Monday for 30 bucks for next month's drop, which is going to be the Mr. Steele inspired box, which is probably going to have some of those sweet watermelon S3 props that we've been seeing all over the YouTubes, and I think they sold out on Pyroflip in like a couple hours. So anyway, if you want to jump in, I have a subscriber code down in the description that'll help me out. And the other thing that you don't think about sometimes is that you get access to their subscriber store, which gives you all the goodies that comes inside there at a great discount. So you can get Helio boards in there, Velcro straps, props. My favorite prop that came last month, the 5.1 4.1x3 HQ, that is on TBS Source 1 right here. So anyway, let's look at what's going on in this month's drop. Happy Thanksgiving stickers, awesome little TBS pumpkins there and everything, pretty sweet. You already saw I had one of these on my head. This is a TBS beanie that is really nice. I bought one of these over a year ago, and mine's a little dirty, still working. This is something that I was contemplating ordering from TBS or Heli Nation. This is an SMA magnetic extension. That way we can run Crossfire or video outside on our car. Probably going to be testing this out tomorrow. It's a 3-meter cord, so it's almost 10 feet, so that should be awesome. 2 Unify Pro Nano VTXs. Now this is awesome because I've got a couple Acrobrats, and I always wanted to try one of these, but I was afraid to buy them because I wasn't sure if it was going to be good enough. So now, I mean, I've seen a few reviews on them on YouTube, but you know how sometimes you just really got to like test things yourself. So now I can, so I'm definitely going to be testing one of those out. Get a white noise board here, which is for the Unified Nano and the Crossfire Nano. Not sure if I'll be using that. Ethics Velcro straps. I just ordered a bunch of these last week because they're awesome and they're cheap on the subscriber store. I have them on my Source 1. I have them on my Epics. They haven't frayed out. They haven't done anything yet. And I've been, you know, they're Velcro straps. How do yours look? Probably pretty gnarly. These hold up awesome. And then we got some Hulky 50, 55 S props in here. 3 boxes. Drone drop, hitting it out of the park once again with all this goodness. Guys, sign up for next month. Next month's really going to be special. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. But I tell you, if the boxes aren't your thing, if you think that you're wasting money, I mean, you'll save this much per month just by having access to the subscriber store and buying props and everything else like that. So we'll talk to you guys later.